there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this completely solid granny square. And this granny square does not have any kind of holes in the corners, on the side. Even the chain 3-1 double crochet you make at the beginning has been replaced and now is seamlessly integrated into the fabric. And this is how it looks like from both sides. And today I'm going to show you how to crochet it. Start with a magic ring, and into that magic ring make 15 double crochet. Now I will show you a different way of starting your round with a double crochet. So instead of making that chain 3, that counts as a double crochet. Nothing wrong with it, except you can see it in the round, and we are trying to make it a solid granny square. So I'm going to show you how to make a chainless double crochet. So once you have your magic ring, pull up a loop that is as long as a double crochet, so approximately that long. Now hold it with your thumb or your forefinger and then twist your hook around that loop. Keep hold of it, then insert it into the magic ring and yarn over, pull up a loop, and now you should have 3 loops on your hook like that, and make your double crochet as usual. And now it looks just like any double crochet, and it will blend in seamlessly. And now we need 15 more double crochet. So I'll be making them quickly. And the last one, 16. This is how it looks like so far. Now pull the tail to close the magic ring like so, and we'll be closing the round by slip stitching into that first double crochet we have made. And this is your first round, and as you can see, you can't tell where that first double crochet is from the front or from the back. So now we continue with the second round, and we're gonna start the round again with a twisted double crochet. Pull up a loop that is approximately the length of a double crochet, then hold it to the hook with your finger and then twist around and insert it into that stitch where you slip stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we make a double crochet as usual. And that's the first double crochet. Now we're gonna continue by making 2 double crochet, 1 in each stitch. And then into the next we're gonna make 5 double crochet. This is gonna look like a fan, and that will form the corner, the solid corner, without having any holes into your granny square. So we have 3, 4 and 5, and this is your repeat section. Obviously now with the same double crochet, so we have 3 double crochet followed by 5 into the next stitch. Let me show you again. 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches, so that's 1, 2 and 3. Then into the next make 5 double crochet, and this will form the corner. It's going to be solid, no see-through, no holes, which is perfect for so many projects like bags or cardigans or anything really where you don't want holes. So yeah, 5 double crochet, and like I said, this is your repeat section. 3 double crochet, 1 in each stitch, then 5 all in one stitch. Now we have 2 more sides to make, so repeat that section. I'll speed up the video, you can slow it down if you like. I'll just make this and I'll meet you at the end to continue. And this is how it looks like so far. You can see now the corners, and we are going to close the round by slip stitching into the first double crochet you've made, which is the one you've made at the beginning without chains. And this is your second round. Round 3 is your repeat round, which means that you're gonna replicate that round 3 over and over to make the square as big as you like. So again, let's start with a chainless double crochet. So pull up a loop, twist around, insert your hook into the same stitch where you slip stitch, pull up a loop, and then make your double crochet as you normally do. And then we're gonna make a double crochet into the next 4 stitches. So make a double crochet into the next 4 stitches until we reach the corner. Okay, so we have 3, 4, and now the way you know you've reached the corner is that you're about to crochet into the third double crochet of those 5 you've made in a corner. So that middle one there, that is where we're gonna create the next corner, and into that stitch we're gonna make 5 double crochet. Okay, so that is 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, right there. And now we are crocheting onto the next edge of the square, and we are going to make a double crochet in every single double crochet below until again we have reached the middle stitch of that 5 double crochet. So that's the third double crochet into that 5 double crochet cluster. That's where we make the next corner, and this is your repeat section. So you make 7 double crochet and then 5 double crochet into the next stitch. So let's make one repeat together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Make sure you're about to crochet into the third double crochet of the 5, and in that we make 5 double crochet. And we have 3, 2 more, and we have finished another edge. And like I said, 7 double crochet and then 5 into the next, 7 double crochet, 5 into the next, and then I'll show you how to finish up your square. I'll just speed up and then I'll meet you here at the end. Okay, so I have made all the repeats on all edges, and now we are back to where we started, but because we started in the middle of the side, we have a few more stitches, so make a double crochet into the next 2 stitches to finish the row, and then slip stitch into that first double crochet you have made. And this is your 3rd round, and like I said, this is your repeat round, so you make a double crochet in every single stitch across the edge until you reach the 3rd of those 5 double crochet you've made. So that middle stitch, that's where we crochet the next corner, and so on. I have made one more round for you to see how it looks like, and this is how you crochet the solid granny square. If you have any questions about this pattern, put them in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!